class, and happy Friday. I hope you guys are having an awesome day so far. I know it's 6 hour, I know it's the hardest hour of the day, but hang in there. Today's a pretty simple day as we're preparing for our test on Tuesday. Don't forget our chapter 5 test is due on Tuesday. So that means that we must have our chapter terms due on Monday. So that's where you see my screen, page 105. So go ahead and turn there, page 105. You have the list of chapter terms. Please complete those in class, but save them for Monday. We're not going to turn them in until Monday. And if you do finish, then I would like you to do the chapter 5 review from your activity book. I'm giving you a chance to do bonus work. So that is a bonus opportunity, but you cannot turn that in until after you have completed the chapter terms. So the chapter terms on 105 is your homework, but I'd like you to use your class time now to finish it. So if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please feel free to email me. I'll be back with you guys on Monday. We're going to be reviewing all Monday for our test. But today I'd just like you to focus on your chapter terms. Just do them as we always have. You don't have to worry about complete sentences. So again, just the terms, and then after you complete these, if you do have time, then I'd like you to do the activity book, the chapter 5 review. All right? I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you Monday.